can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, PancakeSwap. Over the last 1 week, PancakeSwap is up 14%. The last 1 month has seen PancakeSwap increase by 17%. A lot of altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. There's rumors of altcoin season. How high can PancakeSwap go in the coming days and coming weeks? PancakeSwap currently trades around the $1.52 level with a market cap of $503 million. We look at PancakeSwap performance against the US dollar. Where we're going to find difficulties on our way to new all-time highs, where are those key levels where PancakeSwap might get rejected or might consolidate as we're pumping to higher prices. We look at PancakeSwap's performance against Bitcoin, PancakeSwap's performance against Ethereum, and PancakeSwap's market cap. Can we break to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. PancakeSwap market cap sits at $504 million. Fully diluted market cap of $611 million. Total value locked in PancakeSwap is over $2.09 billion. A total supply of 343 million cake tokens. We have 330 million cake tokens in circulation. The all-time high for PancakeSwap came in on the 30th of April 2021. PancakeSwap traded for as high as $44. Right now, it's down 96% from that all-time highs. But it's not all bad news, guys. If you look at PancakeSwap's performance against the US dollar of the last few years, we have seen it dump to Goblin Town, yes, but we've also seen whales heavily accumulating over the last 2 years. We're getting ready for that big pump to the upside. After PancakeSwap was launched way back in September of 2020, it dumped to Goblin Town. That's what a lot of altcoins do. They dump aggressively to Goblin Town after insiders start offloading their bags. But then again, we saw PancakeSwap pumping aggressively in that 2021 bull market, giving us a 190x return in just under 180 days. The altcoin market is actually crazy. You can get big pumps to the upside, 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x. You have to be able to buy when the prices are low. You have to be able to bold. You have to be able to be bold to take those huge risks, those huge decisions. The volatility is crazy in the altcoin market. We're playing a game here. The game is to buy as low as possible and to sell as high as possible. The game is to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, so that when extreme greed returns, we can sell for some sweet profit. Now, even though we're buying those altcoins because of volatility to the upside, we have to remember that there's always volatility to the downside. For you to get those thousands of percentages pumped to the upside, you have to be able to stomach huge volatility. Before PancakeSwap went up on that 190x return, we saw it dumping by 84%. And after it went on that 190x return, we saw it also dump to Goblin Town. Going from as high as $44, we saw PancakeSwap hitting the $1 level deep in its first full crypto bear market, losing 97% of its value in the process. Since then, since 2023, we have not seen PancakeSwap rally aggressively to higher prices. We have not seen it pump to new all-time highs. But one thing is sure, the whales have been quietly accumulating, getting ready for the next big boom of PancakeSwap. We've seen PancakeSwap consolidate from the $1 level to the $4 level over the last 3 years. At some point in time, the nearest future, guys, I believe we'll see PancakeSwap breaking above that $4.5 region, and that's when the real game will start. Now, important levels to watch out for PancakeSwap as we pump to higher prices. The $10 level is going to be pivotal, with some PancakeSwap having some reactions at that key level as we're dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market. So as we're pumping to higher prices, pay attention to the $10 level. Another key level before the all-time highs will come in around the $25 region. You can see PancakeSwap probably having some difficulties at that $25 region. And if we clear that level, guys, to be one way to new all-time highs, we'll need to see PancakeSwap give us one of those epic pump towards $44. From where we're currently trading right now, for PancakeSwap to get to that $44 region, we're going to see PancakeSwap pump by more than 3,000% to the upside. Historically, a lot of these altcoins can give us crazy pumps. Those pumps can come very quickly. The last time PancakeSwap was trading around the $1.5 level and it went to new all-time highs. All this rally happened in a short period of time. We We saw PancakeSwap go from $0.2 towards $44 in less than 200 days. PancakeSwap actually did in 154 days. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be. But volatility is your friend, not your enemy. So as we're pumping to the upside, you see PancakeSwap also outperforming Bitcoin. I strongly believe we're entering a period of time where altcoins are going to shine. If you look at PancakeSwap performance against Bitcoin over the years, two sides to a wonderful story. The first side saw PancakeSwap pumping aggressively to the moon, outperforming Bitcoin in 2021. PancakeSwap outperformed Bitcoin by more than 6,100%. One Bitcoin invested in PancakeSwap would have returned more than 61 Bitcoin if you are able to be patient, if you're able to wait for the move to come to an end. But then the inverse is also true. We've seen PancakeSwap dump to Goblin Town against Bitcoin since 2021. We've seen it go from the all-time high against Bitcoin. We've seen PancakeSwap lose around 97% of its value in the process. But guys, this is not something for concern. This is very, very normal in the altcoin market. Altcoins usually dump to Goblin Town in the bear market against Bitcoin. But then when the market gets going, when the bubbles start getting greener, when the altcoin market start going to higher values, we see a lot of altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. The last 1 week has seen Bitcoin rally up by around 9.8%. PancakeSwap is already up 14%, and I expect that trend to continue into the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at PancakeSwap's performance against Ethereum, also similar price action. PancakeSwap had a wonderful time in 2021, rallying to new all-time highs in 112 days, outperforming Ethereum by 3,600%. Since 2021, it's been a trip down to Goblin Town. We have seen it dump aggressively, losing around 96% of its value. We have two options, guys. Either we believe PancakeSwap is going to zero against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, or something somewhere is going to make us have that epic pump to the upside. I strongly believe we're going to have that epic pump to the upside. Historically, when there's high level of pessimism in the cryptocurrency market, when there's record level of extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market, historically that has been a good time to buy. Historically, that has been a good risk to reward ratio. I'll not be shocked to see a lot of altcoins giving us big pumps over the next few days and the next few weeks, PancakeSwap included. And when that pump comes, your number one job, guys, is to sell the top. If you buy the bottom, the market will give you an ability to sell the top. If you look at PancakeSwap's market cap, we sit around that $500 million level. We have seen it consolidate around the $500 million level for over 4 years right now. In 2021, PancakeSwap market cap actually got to as high as $6.8 billion. Now, for us to get to new all-time highs, we'll have to face difficulties along the way. Critical levels to watch out for PancakeSwap's market cap, the $1.5 billion level is going to be pivotal. We have seen PancakeSwap have some huge reactions at that key level in the past. So don't be shocked to see us find difficulties there. And that key level to watch out for will be the $3 billion region. If PancakeSwap could rally past these key levels, guys, we might have a smooth trip to all-time highs. From where we're currently trading, for PancakeSwap's market cap to get to new all-time highs, we need to see around the 1,200% pump to the upside. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, it's still pessimistic in the market. A lot of market participants are still pessimistic, thinking we're dumping to Goblin Town. The bulls are buying, the whales are accumulating. Are you buying more PancakeSwap right now to your portfolio? If you're doing so, when will you be selling for some sweet profits in the nearest future? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.